Hello everyone and welcome to this walkthrough of Chromis POS, which is the first tutorial that we are going to give to you. If you are new here, my name is Donald and today I will be showing you how to get started with Chromis POS step by step. Chromis POS is a great free open source point of sale that is great for small business, supermarket, restaurants, or any business that need simple but powerful sales and inventory solution. So this is the Chromis POS. When you open it, after configuring it, it will welcome you with this screen. And on this screen it will show you all the users that you have been loaded on the system, and in each user have different level of control on the system. Especially here, CNL POS is the admin. If you log in, it will require the password. If you enter the password and come inside, this is the sales screen that is gonna show you, and you can access the menu. This is all the rights which this user have, and all these are the rights this user have, and I'm going to walk through each and everything here so that you can understand how to use Chromis POS for your business. I'm gonna just summarize the few steps. This is the sales screen. This is the main sales screen, and here is how to add customers. You can add the customers who are coming to you. You can collect their information and collect their database, and this is the screen for customers. And if you are to add customers, here is the customer ID. You have to choose the ID that you are going to give to customer. Like if you give him 56 as an ID, and here you must write KL as a search key, and here you write the full name of the user. After writing the full name of the user, here you have to make it visible, and you must assign how much you are willing to give him as a maximum date, the limit date that you want to give him. If you say 500 rand, then after doing that, you can add all these other informations on the customer's information, and you must add save here. Automatically the customer will be added, and all the details of the customer will be added. If you go here on the sales screen, here is where you can search the customer, where you can find that customer. You can write the ID, or you can just say execute. This is the customer. If you are going to sell to this customer, you need to attach this sale to this customer, and it will be shown here that everything that you are going to do, it's gonna be attached to this customer. And this button also is the button to make a reprint, and this is the button to make layaways. And layaways, probably I have selected this that I wanted to give to this customer, and just after that another new customer come, I could just pause this cell by clicking here, and this cell will gonna be going here. And if I want to continue to do it, I will just choose by this one and continue to do it. That is how to make a layaways. And here is how to delete. You can delete or cancel the cell. You can cancel all the cell by clicking here. And all other these buttons, they are simple. Like here we can minus, we can remove, and this one is a search key. You can search the product. You can search the product by the barcode, by the name. You can search it and say execute and find the product which we are looking for. Find out the product that we are looking for, and it will show us how many in stock of that product. And when we go here, there is another special function that I want to discuss, which is the stock. The stock This is very important because this is how to add a product in Chromis POS. And when you click here on stock, it shows you products category. And before you add a product in Chromis POS, you need to establish the categories that you are going to work with, especially on this database. There were cigarettes, dummies, coats, and etc. like that for the tavern. These are the categories. It also helps the Chromis POS to generate reports that really shows that separate things. It helps to make information to look professional. So this is how you can add a category. You can add any new category. Like now I want to add a new category like groceries. We just write the name and click add here. Simple as like that. Groceries will be added as a new category. And if you go on the sales screen here, you could see that groceries now is a new category without no product. And how to add a product in this category is very simple, because you can go to stock and products, and after going to product, here the reference, you can assign any reference that you want, or you can scan it by the barcode scanner and it will capture the reference. Or I can just write 560, then I says sugar. Then here under category I must put it under groceries. And text category is also important. It's a VAT inclusive. If you have already inclusive the VAT, if you don't care about how this Chromis POS must calculate your VAT, if I assign the price of it 56 as selling price, the buying price here, we can tell that the buying price is 30 rand. I buy it 30 rand, and this is the profit margin. And if I want to save, I will just click add. Automatically this product is added on our system. This is how to add a product. But there is another step that we have to do, is to go here on stock and on stock diary and give the units of the product. If I go here on the sugar, it will show me that in stock there is 0. So if I have 100 in stock, I will type 100 and save. Automatically our system will show us that we have now in stock 100 units of sugar. And if I have to go here on the sales, and type 560, sugar will come out. And if I want to sell more of sugar, probably I want to sell 10 of sugar, and click spacebar, and I sell it by cash, and I type 600. I make a sell and 40 rand change. A receipt will be printed like this. This is the receipt. Sugar is by cash, and it will be printed like this. And if I go here also on the stock diary and trace how many left now, it will show me that in stock is 90 that is only left. This is how to add a product and how to manage the stock of the product, and to make a sale of the product. One of the very important, especially for cashiers, is to close cash. After the end of the day, if a cashier was selling a lot of stuff, we need to close the cash. And here is how to close the cash. It's very, very simple. We have to close the cash here. This is close the cash. It will show me that I have cash and bank, all the transactions that I have done. And you can print an X receipt by here. If I make a printout like this, it will show me everything that was sold. It will show me 42 of Amarin sugar, how many was sold. It will show me everything. Where is this amount coming from? And it will separate that in grocery department is 10 that was sold, and that 10, what was it? It was sugar. It will separate everything. This X receipt, it can also be used for stock take if we collect it properly. If we come here now and say we want to close the day and make a close up, here another sequence will start for the next day, and it also give me another receipt, which is also this short receipt, which shows the total amount of cash and the total amount of money that was collected during the day. This is another report that we can get immediately after we are closing the shift. Just after that, there is another issue, which is now I show you how to enter a product, how to sell a product, how to close cash. There's also another issue of adding another user. In Chromis POS, it allows you different types of users to use the system. There is an admin, there is a cashier, and you can also tune up the right that you want to give to the users. Here, this is how you go to the maintenance and go to users. Here you see that CNL, this one who is the admin, it's an administrator, and you can also see that Mupo is an employee. If you go here on the maintenance and on the rows, you can see that employees I've given him the rights, only few rights. If we go on the account of Mupo, let me go into his account. It needs a password, then I go in his account. You see that she doesn't have a lot of functions. She doesn't have the function even to add the product, and also she doesn't have the function even to close cash. She only has the function to sell and add customers if new customers comes. And also I want to discuss another thing, which is to make payments. Probably that Mupo was a cashier that day. She made a payment of 600 rand out of the cash drawer. She can record that she made out a cash out of 6 rand for probably is for salary, and write the use and add here. After adding it here, at the end of the day, the admin, if the admin comes at the closed cash, it will show here that there is a 600 that went out, and on the X receipt it will show that the 600 went out because it was a salary that was given to an employee. There is a lot of functions which this point of sale can manage to do. It can also manage to do lay-bys. It can also manage to do a lot of things. But I think in this video we have given you enough, just a brief walk through about this point of sale. This point of sale is very great. It also can be customized to fit any need of any business. If you feel that you need to customize, you can contact us, then we can help you to customize this great point of sale. It's very wonderful, and it can also control the day-to-day operation of any business. It's very, very great. It also has a lot of reports, especially here on the sales. It can show you this report. You can run the sales. The sales you can run from, probably let me run from the 1st of August and show me how much I made. It show me all this was, it's in graphics. It show me that from in glossaries it's only 10 that I sell. In glasses it shows me in graphic form. But there is also another receipt, another report is this one, transaction log. If I run it from the first, then if I run it, it will show me exactly what happened. And the cash out, you see that cash out that we have taken out, it will deduct also the total that we have made. It deduct 600 in every transaction that have passed through the point of sale. It also shows us the date and the time, the transactions and everything. There is also another report that is this transaction log extended. If we go it from the first and run it, it shows me the ticket numbers. You see, it shows the ticket numbers of the transactions, and it's also showing us the same figure that you totally get from the site. So this point of sale is very wonderful. I'm gonna walk through also with you other functionalities and how to customize it in another video. I really thank you for following us. Please like and subscribe us so that we can continue to give you more and more details about how this point of sale can help your small business to grow. Thank you very much.